Good morning everybody, it's the Yorkshire Gardener here. Today we're going to be looking at pruning. Today we're going to be pruning apples and pear trees. Do not prune your plum trees yet, it's not the right time of year to prune them yet. You don't do them until next year when it gets warmer, so don't prune them yet. So let's have a look at pruning apples and pear trees. So today we're going to be looking at pruning this apple tree and what to prune. As you can see, it's got brambles growing through it, so all that needs to come out, and it's very out of shape. I should have staked it up when I first planted it, but I was new when I started it, so let's learn how to do it. So the thing is, you're not wanting branches that are crossing each other. You want to get rid of them. We don't want any branches crossing each other or touching each other, as that's not good. You need it to let air through it. You're also wanting to cut back the branches by a third to encourage the flowers to grow on the trees, and that we also want to cut off any of the bottom branches, as these won't grow very well. We're wanting it to grow upwards and not downwards, so we need to cut off some of them. So that is the plan today. So we're going to be cutting back all the branches by a third, and it's got to look like a pyramid shape. So let's see how we get on. So we're wanting to prune off some of these bottom ones, as they're in the way and they don't really do anything at the bottom. We're wanting it to grow upwards and outwards, so we can get rid of those bottom ones off the tree. These are like the branches that you want to chop off as well, these ones that cross over in between the other ones, as you don't want any touching each branch, so that needs to come off. If you see any branch that's diseased or dying like that, that needs to come off as well. You don't want any diseased branches. So that is it all pruned. I've took some of the height off it because I don't want it to go too high, as you're only meant to have a certain height on allotments. So yeah, it's all pruned back and in shape, ready for next year. Well, I hope you found that useful about pruning the trees. If you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for tomorrow's tip. Thank you for watching.